Okay, so we're driving around in Asheville.
Don't forget to get the big boys across the street.
And all of a sudden, just came across some wild turkeys crossing the road.
Including the big ones.
And then here's some big ones. Here's the road, and here's some big ones that just happened to be there.
And you guys just missed their gobble gobble.
I know.
See, these ones are little. Why are the big guys on the other side?
I don't know.
They left the women vote.
I know, they're all like cowering in there. They look really good on video too. Looking good, ladies.
Passed away.
Look at them strutting. They're stopping traffic. Yes. Gobble. I love how they're stopping traffic. Okay. That is funny. Alright, bye. Thanks for the gobble. You're a cool little creature, aren't you? Let's zoom out and show how small you actually are.
There's my finger.
But don't touch it.
There's my pinky.
Keep your pinky next to him. Keep your pinky next to him. Yep. You're real small.
Okay, bye, little guy. Bye-bye. You don't want to move for us? I don't want to hurt you. There you go. Go on. You need to get off the road anyway. There's lots of people hiking.
I don't even know how Lizette saw you. It's amazing.
I don't want him to get...
That's cool.
Yeah, that's good. I just didn't want him to be right in the middle.